So let's move to question number 4. I need to create something new and different. How do I do that? So we are referring to a product, right? And let's say you are going into internet marketing niche and you are going to have a product about how to get traffic. Now, if you are going to do that, it's going to be quite competitive because there are so many courses at trading and product about getting traffic. So obviously you need to have something new or something different, right? And you can think out of the box to do this, or the other solution is to use the SCAMPER technique. So basically the SCAMPER technique breaks down to S.C.A.M.P.E.R, which gives you 7 different variations of improving, or should I say, changing an existing product to become new and different. For instance, you have SCAMPER. Each of the effort represents something. So for instance, A is about adapt, right? Or adopt. Adapt means that could you create a product based on existing product that is successful to be adapted into a different niche market. Okay, so let's start with R. Okay, at the end, R is for replace. So which means is that with an existing product, could you replace some of the existing parts of the existing product, right, to become like a new product? So the SCAMPER technique is training is a technique that has been created like many years ago, which is taught in universities, and it is used for any different things, specifically for like physical products. Like for instance, this watch here, right? So let's say this is a digital watch. So what it means by replace, it could be like, could we replace some of these parts here so it becomes like a new product? So for instance, maybe we could replace the stripe for this one with something else. And now you have a new product to sell, right?